Okay, so I wanted to share my update on something that I felt like it's important, because I feel like we need to share things that work for us and things that don't. And so I shared a video before about the laser fractional. I'll put the actual exactly what it was that I did in the video link, but it was the laser, and I was told that within 3 treatments, sunspots would be gone. And so I just really felt like, because I shared the beginning of it, that I should share what really my results were. So I want to show that. So this is the left side of my face, so you can see they're still there, you guys. They're still there. I have zero makeup on. I wanted to do this video. I actually came outside in my car to do it because I want to show that. Also this side, I want to show the real, you guys. The real, with no makeup on, no filters. And then my hands, I wanted to show, you can see they're still there. And also my other hand, which is holding the video now. So yes, it did not work. So I went for 4 treatments. They had me wait a month in between. And how this works in the treatment, they tell you that the laser was, it's not there to burn you. It did not hurt ever. And I paid extra to have my hands done. And I've done exactly what they've said. I always wear sunscreen. I don't go out in the sun at all. Like, I haven't been doing anything that would make them not go away, if that makes sense. So it's a big negative. It did not work. After my 3rd treatment, I actually even mentioned it to the esthetician. I was like, hey, like, you know, when the first treatment was like, and it's not cheap, you guys. It's not cheap to have this treatment done. So I'm not sure, like, was it where I had it done? Was it this? I would love to know, if you've had this done, if it did what it said, which was get rid of the sunspots. And, you know, I can honestly say that I'm not really bothered. It's not like, oh my gosh, you know, I put makeup on. I can still actually see those. And it's probably the price I had to pay from being in North Carolina as a young girl and baking myself in the sun, which I haven't done for years. And so, but I've just noticed that as I've gotten older, the sunspots actually came to the surface. But at the same time, I work very, very hard with microdermabrasions and facials and different things to have my skin to be the healthiest it can be. But I did want to let you know, the laser did nothing. Everything that I've seen improvement on my skin and everything I've been doing has come from my yearly deep chemical peel, my microdermabrasions, but I saw zero what I thought was going to be good results getting rid of my sunspots. So there you go. Okay, so it was the IPL photo laser, and it did not work for me. But one of the things that I was told with this treatment, that it could help prevent like skin cancer and those things. So obviously I don't know how to track that, but so I'm sure there's some benefits. But as far as sunspots disappearing, I will put some photos here of the things that it said it would do. It did not do that for me.